Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is September 12th and chart of the day today is Tesla. This is a 30 minutes time frame. Now we see Tesla rallying impulsively today, and the current update here is calling for the extension higher as an impulse, obviously, and we should be looking for minimum another leg up. So we have this 1 2, and then we have another 5 wave subdivision 1 2 3 4 5. So we should be finishing only with 3 here, and should be getting a 4 and then another leg higher, a 5 minimum. Now if we do make one more high from here, then I think this is not wave 4. If we do make a one more leg higher, then I think that is still part of wave 5 of 3 here, right? But the idea here is as long as the pullback stays above 242, we should continue to see further upside again in the Tesla. All right, and for now we could assume 5 of 3 already ended, and we can see another leg down therefore, and as long as we stay above this 242, we should at least minimum see one more leg higher. Now usually wave 4 should be somewhere around 23.6, 38.2% retracement. So actually this is another, this is a potential area here. This can develop into a little bit bigger pullback in 3 swings right into this area before we go higher again. Now like I said, if we make another high from here, then I think it should be counted as still part of 5 of 3 before we got a pullback in the 4 and then higher again in the 5. Now once we finish the 5 waves in the black here, we should end the cycle from here as a 5 waves, and at minimum we should be getting a 3S pullback, right? At minimum we should be getting a 3S pullback to correct this rally from September the 2nd. But at this point the September the 2nd cycle still alive and ongoing, and therefore we do like more upside still and right side up. So any pullback in the short term should continue to find support in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing continues to extend higher again. Now if you want to get more updates on Tesla or any other stocks, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.